Hello, welcome to this video course, Hands-on Application Development with ASP.NET Core and Angular by Pact Publishing. I am Raihan Tahir. I am the author of this course. I am a software developer working in this industry for 5+ years now. I love to learn new technologies and share my knowledge with others. You can find more about me on my website. The title of this video is Course Overview. Now let's see the course roadmap. So the first section is getting started. In this section, we will talk about the whole course. We will talk about the application that we are going to develop, the technologies that we are going to use, and the tools that are necessary for this course. The next section is preparing data models and database. In this section, we will prepare our data models and we will write our classes, and we will use Entity Framework Core and to create our database in code-first approach. In the third section, we will be creating the web services that we need for our UI to interact with our backend. We will create the services in such a way so that they can use Entity Framework Core to talk with the database as well. Then in the fourth section, we will start working with our Angular. We will set up the Angular components, and then we will integrate the components with the app module, and we will also create the routes for those components. Then in section 5, we will start working with the Angular services. We will create the services and then we will integrate the services with the Angular components. In section 6, we will work on the order service of this application. We will create the order service and we will integrate with the component. We will create the form, and also we will make sure that our order controller, which is the backend API, works perfectly with the order service to work to save data and retrieve data from the database. Finally, on section 7, we will work with the UI a little bit to make our application more nice. We will do some touch-up in our code, and then we will test our application and we will finish our course. Now let's talk about the prerequisite of this course. This course is not created for beginners and not for very experienced programmers. This course is for students or software developers who just has started their career. This course is for someone who might have experience in other platforms or even .NET but new to ASP.NET Core and Angular. So this course will be a hands-on course, and for this you have to know C# programming language, Web API, MVC, TypeScript, Entity Framework. These are not the requirement that you have to be a professional expert in these things, but a basic understanding of these tools are necessary.